Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you this kombucha kit from Northern Brewer. I have already opened it, but I'm going to show you what all it comes with. It's a complete starter kit, has everything you'll need to make your first gallon of kombucha. So you have this nice design box with a contents list, and it's inside of another box, and everything is in this jar. Alright, so this lid also has a ventile opening in the top. We have our muslin bags. I believe it's a bag. It's not a bag. It's just muslin. And there's also a rubber band somewhere in here. We have black tea. Some raw cane sugar, a funnel, this is the thermometer, stick it on, some pH testing strips, a tea ball, which I'll be using for probably regular tea as well. This looks like a plug for the lid, possibly. There's a pipette and a rubber band. And what we've all been waiting for, SCOBY. This is so weird, you guys, look at it. So this kit comes with everything you will need to make your first gallon of kombucha. I might flavor mine with some fruit, I'm not entirely sure yet, but I am really excited about this. So I hope you all enjoyed this unboxing video, and I will see you soon in the next one, and shortly I will be making a video of my first time making kombucha. So stay tuned for that. Hope you all are having a great day, and I will see you soon. Bye guys.